children. Today we are going to start with chapter 6, that is the coastal plains and the islands. So, in this chapter, we will study about the eastern coastal plain, western coastal plains, island, land features, climate, rivers, and the life of the people, those who are living in these coastal areas. So, when Sakshi heard about the coastal plains, she became curious to know how these plains are different from the northern plain. She also wanted to know about this island. So, in the previous chapter, we have studied about the southern part of our country, which is made up of plateau. Right, the edges of the plateau bordering the seas and ocean forms the coastal plain. Right, so this is your western coastal plain, and this is eastern coastal plain, which is around 6,100 kilometer from Gujarat in the west to the West Bengal in the east. First is eastern coastal plains, which lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. They stretch from the west Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Average width जो है वो 120 kilometer है, and they are divided in the western coastal plain. Right. So the eastern coastal plain, they are divided into two parts. The northern part is also known as northern Circas, और southern part को हम क्या कहते हैं, Coromandel coast. Many rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri flows through it and makes a large delta. Right, the climate of the season is hot and humid in summer and cold in winter. These plains receive less rainfall than the western coastal plain. The western coastal plains, they are situated between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. They stretch from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kerala in the south, and the average width is 65 kilometers. The western coastal plain are divided into three parts. The extreme north part is Gujarat coast. There is a chain of saline marshes near the coast, and the middle part is called Konkan coast. It covers coastal districts of Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka, and has number of sandy beaches. The southern part is called Maraval coast, which lies in the Karnataka and Kerala. We have lagoons or backwater, which is locally called Kayals, which lies along the Malabar coast. Most of the rivers coming from the Western Ghats are soft and swift. The weather of this region is hot and humid throughout the year. If we talk about islands, we have two groups of island. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, where it lies in the Arabian Sea. Both these groups of islands are union territories of India. We have Andaman and Nicobar Island. It consists of 570 big and small islands over here. Right? Out of these islands, only 38 are those islands which are inhabited, and most of these islands are hilly with dense forest. The Lakshadweep Islands consist of only 36 islands, out of which only 10 are inhabited. These islands are of coral origin. Hills and streams are absent on these islands. Minicoy is the largest island. Right? Then we have Vasco da Gama, the first Portuguese, which is landed on the Calicut port at Coisco. Let's study about the life of the people in the coastal region. One by one, we will study about all these union territories and the states which lies in the western coastal plain. First is Gujarat. Where does it lie? In the northwestern part. Its capital is Gandhinagar. We have Narmada, Tapi and Sabarmati river that flows from the state. Agriculture is the main occupation. What we grow here? Wheat, jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane and cotton. Dairy farming is an important occupation. Anand is famous all over the India for dairy products. Right? So a huge quantity of salt is produced in the coastal areas. Many industries have been set up in the state. Ahmedabad and Surat are leading producer of cotton. Textile diamond cutting is another important industry in Surat. Right? Petroleum and natural gas has been found in Cambi region. Kandla is an important seaport over here. Gujarat is the main language that is spoken here. Gujarati is the main language. We have Hindi, Marathi, Urdu and Sindhi also. And sari and lehenga are the main dresses of the women. And men likes to wear what? Churidar, pajama and kurta. Here festival like Navratri, Diwali and Holi are celebrated with great pomp and show. Dhokla, Thepla, Sev Gatia, Kandi and Undyubi are the popular Gujarati dishes. Dandi and Garba are famous folk dances over here. Gir National Park, which is the home of Asiatic lion. Dwarka, Somnath, these are famous religious destination. Sabarmati's ashram is also very important. Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Junagadh, Porbandar and Jamnagar. What are these? These are the important major cities over here. Next is Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. If we talk about what it is, Union Territory of India. Dadar and Nagar Haveli is situated on the Konkan coast of the western coastal plain. Daman, where it is situated on the Gujarat coast, which is the western coast of India. Diu is the small island of southern coast of Gujarat. And what is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli? That is your Daman. Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Daman, they were earlier the two different union territories, but now they are merged in 2019. Konkani, Hindi, Marathi, English and Gujarati are the main language that is spoken over there. If we talk about agriculture is the main occupation, what do people grow over here? Wheat, rice and sugarcane. And fishing is also the main occupation of the people of Daman and Diu. Next is Maharashtra, which is situated on the Konkan coast of western coastal plain. You have already studied of the state. It is first a fertile coastal plain, which is suitable for farming. And here the farming of Alfonso mango is done, which is produced around Ratnagiri. Fishing is another important occupation of the people of this state. If we talk about Goa, it is the smallest state of India, which is situated on the Konkan coast of western coastal plain. Panaji is its capital. Mandovi and Zurari are the main river that flows through this state. Main occupation of the people is agriculture. What they grow? Rice, ragi, coconut, cashew nut and mangoes over here. Next, the state is rich in iron ore. Here people are engaged in tourism industry. Beaches of Goa are major tourist attraction. Annual carnival festival is held in Goa. We have tourist spots like Fort Agua, Saint Xavier Church, Mahalakshmi Temple over here. Then people commonly speak Marathi, Konkani, Portuguese. Christmas is the main festival over here. Then we have Karnataka. The state is located in the southern part of Konkan coast, right? Mangalore is an important seaport over here. The people living in the coastal plain grow spices and coconut. Fishing is another important occupation over here. Then we have Kerala, which is located in the Malabar coast of western coastal plain. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Periyar and Pamba, these are the important rivers, right? Main occupation is agriculture and fishing. Major crop grown here are rice, coffee, cashew and spices like pepper and cardamom. Apart from these, we have handicraft and handloom industries too. And tourism is also important industry over here. Right? Malayalam is the main language which is spoken here. Women commonly wear sari, men wear mundu with shirt. And rice, fish, idli, sambar, payasam, these are the commonly eaten food. The important classical dance of the state is Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Onam is an important festival and the snake boat races are held every year. And here you will see many beaches like Kovalam, Varkala and your Bekar. It is famous for backwater lagoon, Wimbledon. There is local called Kayals. Important religious places are the Sabrimala temple and Malayan Attur. Kochi, Iranukulam, Kottayam, Thrissur or Kozhikode. These are the important cities over here. Then we have Tamil Nadu, which is located on the eastern coastal plain called Coromandel Coast. Kaveri river flows from here, right? And it forms a delta along with the Coromandel Coast. Marina Beach in Chennai, which is the longest beach in India. And we have Vivekanand Rock Memorial, which is famous tourist attraction, located on the small island near Kanyakumari. Then Pondicherry, which is a union territory of India, located in the eastern coastal plain called Pondicherry. Agriculture and the fishing. These are the main occupation of the people, those who are living over here. Right? Crop like rice, pulses, coconut, spices are grown here. People mainly speak Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and French. Matri Mandir is very famous temple over here. Then other states like Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal, which lies on the eastern coastal plain. Next we have Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is the union territory located on Bay of Bengal. Its capital is Port Vale. Here lies the only volcano in India, that is Barren Volcano. Agriculture and fishing are the main occupation of the people here. Rice, oilseed, rice, oilseed, pulses, coconut, spices are grown here. Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Nicobaris and Telugu are the main language which is focused. Famous cellular jail is situated. The southernmost point, Indra Point, is located here. Then we have Lakshadweep Island, which is the small union territory also, and which is where its capital is Kavarati. People of Lakshadweeps are engaged in coconut cultivation and other occupation like ship-pick fishing and coir making is done over here. Malayalam and Mahal are the main languages which is spoken over here. Right? And Lakshadweep has the highest literacy rate than other union territory of India. Right? Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.